Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, 12th class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vijay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Any doubts you had in the paper? Want to clear them out?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure. Nobody had any doubts.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, actually in 35th question.
In the 35th one. Okay, let me open it. Okay. What was the question? Do you remember the question? Anushka?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe it is about that who is sitting at the back of the
Yes,
classroom.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It
I
was
am
by
also.
mistake. It was answered wrong. Okay. It was marked
Okay,
wrong.
ma'am.
But you don't need to worry. I had already given bonus marks to the students. Okay. One bonus mark had been given. Any other doubt you
Okay, ma'am.
had? और कोई doubt था?
Yes, ma'am.
Question में?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I have.
Yes, यशस्वी. बोलो बेटा. श्वेता है? किसको डाउट है बोलो.
Ma'am, 1 second, 8 seconds.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
sure.
I have ma'am, I have doubt in 3 questions.
3 questions.
And I had already sent you on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp you had sent. Can you repeat those questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Mhm. You are from science?
No, ma'am. Arts.
Arts, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 37th question.
1
Who
minute.
spells hope?
Yes, that is the governor, the visitors. You know, do you remember the last para? Unless the governors, the visitors, they give
Yes, ma'am.
hope to
But
the slum children. Yes, what happened? But what happened? क्या हुआ? बोलो.
ma'am, but I used to read it from my BBC book, and in
So
that
in
book,
BBC also it is given the same thing, beta. Who had given or who can give hope to the slum children? It was clearly written in the book. See, I'll show it to you. I'm having the book right now.
ma'am, I will. Ma'am,
See the writer, you know, see the last para. See the last para, unless governor, inspector, visitor. Okay. Now these people, they spell the hope in the slum children.
yes,
They are somewhat, yes. They give hope to the slum children. So it is correct, beta. समझ में आया यशस्वी?
yes, ma'am.
You are having the book in front of you. उसको खोलिए और देखिए. The governors, the government, the inspectors, सबसे अपील करी गई है ना, to come and just take these slum children out of the slum area and to expose them under the sun. तो hope तो वही देंगे ना. और पूछो.
They were not doing anything. How can they spell hope? Shakespeare was spelling hope. It was
Yes.
written in BBC.
Ma'am, but in BBC, in one question,
I'm having BBC also. See, you tell me BBC में which question is there? I'm having
ma'am,
BBC.
I will,
Hmm?
ma'am, ma'am, I have sent you the screenshot of BBC.
अच्छा उसमें what is written? Which question is there? Question number बोलो आप.
Ma'am, question number 37, ma'am.
Question number
37 जिसका आप बोल रहे हैं उसी का.
question
But
number
BBC में वो आता है.
लेकिन हाँ
1 second.
हाँ हाँ आराम से निकाल लो आप.
Ma'am, in BBC, it is written that a slum where the value of education is minimal, reference to Shakespeare
Which
or
page
good
number?
literature.
Which question? I have opened the BBC. Tell me which question is it?
1 second.
BBC का क्वेश्चन बताओ ना. वो आंसर आप कौन से क्वेश्चन का पढ़ रहे हैं ये बताइए. Tell me.
Ma'am, exam paper, it is 37 question.
हाँ एग्जाम पेपर में तो फाइन. ओके एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज द लास्ट वन. लेकिन बीबीसी में बताओ ना क्या पढ़ा तुमने, कहाँ पर ये डाउट क्रिएट हुआ है.
1 second, let me open. One second, ma'am.
बेटा ये क्वेश्चन है हु स्पेल्स होप फॉर द स्लम चिल्ड्रन. होप कौन ला सकता है?
Yes, ma'am.
आशावादी कौन हो सकते हैं स्लम चिल्ड्रन के लिए? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन.
Okay, ma'am. I will go to it.
हाँ
And
ठीक है ऑन टाइम.
my next.
मुझे लगता है यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन बेटा. हु स्पेल्स होप फॉर द स्लम चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज who gives hope, who can give hope to the slum children,
Yes.
who has been appealed to
Ma'am,
the slum children. हाँ किस कौन अपील किसको अपील करी गई है ना? होप
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
दे सकता है? वही दे सकते हैं ना, द गवर्नर्स, द इंस्पेक्टर्स.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is 29th one.
29th one. Okay, I'm opening. I have the test paper before me. So 29th one. Okay. Who transformed the tramp? Who changed the tramp? It was Adler only.
Yes.
What is the
No,
doubt in
ma'am.
it? हाँ बेटा
Ma'am,
बोलो.
in book there is not written that Adla is transformed him.
अरे
the,
it will not be
in
written. The questions were taken from the chapter बेटा. You should have used your common sense. यशस्वी कोई स्पून फीडिंग थोड़ी ना है ये. किसने ट्रांसफॉर्म करा? एवरीबडी नोज किसने चेंज करा था उस ट्रैम्प को, उस पैडलर को? एडला ही तो थी.
Yes, ma'am. Adler had changed.
That arises
Yes,
the
ma'am.
goodness that exists in each person. You know, good and evil both things exist in every person, in each human being.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, his father, ma'am,
No,
Adla's father
father was
wait for
Adla's father.
wait transformation.
Wait for?
Transformation.
No, it is not there. Adla के जो father थे Iron Master, he
Ma'am,
was
it is
not.
about the appearance of.
It is about the appearance, but he
Page
transformed.
39.
Of vagabond.
Transformation was the change
Ma'am,
that
in
came
this
in
question.
them. It was not the outer appearance. Otherwise, I would have given ki who changed the outer appearance of the tramp. It was about the transformation, beta, that came in that peddler. He
I
became
got
an
it.
honest man. समझ गए यशस्वी आप?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन
Sorry.
को ध्यान से पढ़ा करो बेटा. उसके बाद और
Yes, ma'am.
any other problem?
Yes, ma'am. Found out the page number of my 37th question. In BBC, it's 175 page on 175 page.
I'm
number.
having a different book of BBC, and you might be having different edition of BBC. So the page numbers,
ma'am.
they might differ. You just tell me the question.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Additional short
I will.
question, textual questions क्या हैं वो you can tell me, or from the extract. लेकिन ये
Just
क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करिए कि ये होप कौन अराइज कर सकता है उन बच्चों में. Only the governors, the visitors and all. उनसे अपील कर रहे हैं Stephen Spender to give them a hope, to take them out of the slum, from the dark slum area, and to expose them under the sun. Okay, try to understand the question.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, और पूछो. Any other student?
And
Yes.
then that 51, 35 one.
35 1. Okay. हाँ चल बोल बेटा.
Ma'am,
That what I said just now, you did not listen. I said it was wrongly marked in the question paper. By mistake it was marked, and I had already given a bonus mark for it to every student.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, जिसके 100% चाहें तो वहाँ तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. But to the students who got 49, 48, 47 and so on, I have already added 1 mark. चलिए और पूछिए.
Yes, ma'am.
विजय लक्ष्मी,
No, ma'am, no problem.
यशस्वी,
No, ma'am. हो गया. Done.
डन. अनुष्का, ओके. खुशी, राधिका, मुस्कान, विक्रम, anybody is having?
No, ma'am.
Sure, okay. Okay, so beta, the
Yes,
next chapter that we are going to do, it would be from Vistas, okay? And the very first chapter would be the 3rd level.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think so I had already told you the summary of it. Didn't I?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the
And
third
we had
level.
completed the last poem.
Okay, fine. The Flamingo book has been completed, and I have sent you all the screenshot of the topics that have been deleted from the course. Okay? WhatsApp group
Yes,
में
ma'am.
जाइएगा और देख लीजिएगा.
ma'am.
You may write down. I was thinking even note making is there, but it is not there. Okay, only unseen passages are there. So now beta, 3rd level, you know the 3rd level, it is a chapter, it is all a cooked up story, you know, and it is all a fiction. Fiction to samajhte ho na? Ma'am, we have to do questions of last 2 poems. Anushka, yes, we have to. I had not given you the questions of last 2 poems, beta. Did I give you the questions or not? Okay, I did not give.
No, ma'am. No.
Members, okay, fine. Then tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever we'll get time, I'll just begin with the questions also. But first you listen to the summary of it. So the 3rd level, it is all a fiction. Fiction, samajhte ho na? What is a fiction? What is a fiction, children? अरे क्लास 12th फिक्शन क्या होता है? कितनी बार समझाया डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिक्शन एंड फैक्चुअल. विजय लक्ष्मी, यशस्वी
Ma'am, it is
बोलो.
about a story.
तो फैक्चुअल इज नॉट ए स्टोरी. which is not real.
Ma'am, it is like a prose
Yes, ma'am. Which is not real.
Which
in
is
the
not
literature.
real. Fiction is not real or factual is not real. Which is not real. अरे
मैम
रियल क्या नहीं
फिक्शन
है? फिक्शन. फैक्चुअल से तो आप फैक्ट यानी वो रियल होता है. तो ये जो स्टोरी है ना ये फिक्शन ही है. एंड इट इज अबाउट मैन हु इज 31 years old. और उस जो मेन कैरेक्टर है बेटा उसका नाम है चार्ली. वन डे when he returns from his work he was quite late, so he just took a subway, a short way, okay. And he thought that he might go from the station subway, okay, so that he might reach his home early as his wife would be waiting for him. So when he goes, he says that on the Grand Central Station there are only 2 levels, okay, 2 platforms are there. But anyhow something happens and he just moves on to the 3rd level of the platform. समझ में आया? 3rd level पर वो चला जाता है. And when he enters the 3rd level, it is almost like a tunnel. एक tunnel की तरह होती है. And then when he crosses the tunnel and when he comes out of the tunnel, he finds himself on the station only, and he sees that that station, that platform, which was having different ticket windows and different booths, and those booths, they were all made up of this wood. And he sees brass pitons were there, and people, they were having different kind of mustaches and different thick sideburns they were having. And even the engine that he sees, the locomotive, it was of different design. And finally what happens, this man, he looks at a stake, a bundle of newspapers that were kept, and he sees that the president name, it was some news was there, and it was the headlines of that newspaper with the name of the president that existed no longer, okay. It means he was there in the 1890s. Clear? He was there in the 18th century, and time travel हो गया था उसके साथ. And before 2 world war took place, उससे पहले वाले समय में वो पहुंच गया था. समझ में आया? टाइम ट्रेवल हो गया था. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? फॉलोड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now what happens, then he goes to the ticket window to buy a ticket, और उसको लगता है कि ये जो प्लेस है वो कहाँ पहुंचा था, इलोनियस गेल्सबर्ग में, okay. And he finds that this place is quite good, and he thinks that I'll just buy 2 tickets for me, means for himself and for his wife. So he goes to the ticket window, but जो वहाँ विंडो पर जो बैठा होता है ना, बड़े स्टर्न लुक्स देता है उसको. क्यों? फाइनली वो डिस्कवर करता है, चार्ली डिस्कवर करता है कि द करेंसी दैट वर यूज्ड एट दैट टाइम, इट वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द करेंसी और द नोट्स और द रुपीज दैट चार्ली वाज हैविंग. समझ में आ गया? अब
Yes, ma'am.
डिमोनेटाइजेशन से पहले वाली करेंसी डिफरेंट है ना आज की करेंसी से. Isn't it?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
cannot use them. तो वो तो 18th century में पहुंच
Yes,
चुका
ma'am.
था, तो उसको काफी डर लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं हो that this man might call the police कि मैं उसके साथ कोई फ्रॉड कर रहा हूँ. तो he just goes away from there and he returns home. लेकिन वो जगह उसको काफी अट्रैक्ट करती है. एंड नेक्स्ट डे वो क्या करता है, जितनी भी सेविंग्स ही वाज हैविंग इन द बैंक ना, तो सारे सेविंग अकाउंट से he took out the money and got them exchanged. Okay, exchange कर लेता है, हालांकि कुछ लॉस भी होता है. And then he tries to find out the 3rd level. Okay, वापस वो 3rd level ढूंढने की कोशिश करता है so that he might visit again, but he never gets the way to the 3rd level. लेकिन उसको रास्ता नहीं मिलता. अब उसकी वाइफ होती है एंड उसका एक साइक्रेटिस्ट दोस्त होता है. who are psychiatrist, one who reads the mind, okay. तो जो दोस्त होता है और वाइफ होती है, वो ये समझते हैं कि चार्ली, he is fed up of this world, he is fed up of the worries, the tensions of this world, and he just wants to run away. इस वजह से वो ऐसी फालतू बातें कर रहा है that he had been there and that and this thing happened. Okay, तो उस पर विश्वास नहीं करते. अब चार्ली, you know, his grandfather had a hobby of stamp collection. Okay, so वो hobby चार्ली continue करता है. Now when he was continuing with this hobby of stamp collection, तो stamp collection में क्या होता है बेटा, first day envelope होता है उसमें ना, जो stamp collectors होते हैं, what do they do कि the very first day when the stamp is being issued, okay, तो वो क्या करते हैं, they buy the stamp, they buy an envelope, they paste the stamp on the envelope, okay, and put a blank paper inside the envelope and they just post it to their own address. Self-addressed envelope होता है. Self-addressed envelope समझते हो ना? What is self-addressed envelope? Class 12. What is self-addressed envelope? Guesses करो, any guesses? Anushka?
मैम खुद ही को पोस्ट करना.
हाँ, वेरी गुड सुचित्रा, वेरी गुड. ओके, आप अपना नाम और एड्रेस लिख दीजिए और खुद ही को पोस्ट करना. तो ये क्यों? क्योंकि जब स्टैम्प कलेक्शन हॉबी है तो इसका मतलब फर्स्ट डे कौन सा स्टैम्प इशू हुआ है, कई बार किसी को ट्रिब्यूट देने के लिए, है ना, चाहे महात्मा गांधी हो, किसी प्रेसिडेंट हो, कोई डे को मेमोरेट करने के लिए क्या होते हैं, स्टैम्प्स पर स्टैम्प्स इशू होते हैं कि नहीं उनके नाम से. तो स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स को क्या पूरा रिकॉर्ड रखना होता है, क्योंकि इनकी हॉबी होती है कि ये स्टैम्प उस दिन, उस मंथ में, इस ईयर में इट वाज इशूड. तो ये काफी हेक्टिक वर्क हो जाता है. तो इसके लिए दे यूज्ड टू डू, क्या करते थे बेटा, स्टैम्प लेते थे वेरी फर्स्ट डे व्हेन इट वाज इशूड, एनवलप पर पेस्ट कर देते थे. अब उस पर क्या होता है, जब वो पोस्ट करेंगे तो सील लगेगी ऑफ द पोस्ट ऑफिस. ओके, तो सील में क्या होगा, द डेट वुड बी देयर, राइट, the month would be there and the year would be there. कभी देखना है ना कोई पोस्टेज घर पर आए तो a seal is there on the postage. okay, उस पे क्या होता है, डेट होती है, मंथ होती है, ईयर होती है. तो इस तरह से वो लोग स्टैम्प्स जो थे कलेक्ट करते जाते, एनवलप्स आते जाते थे और वो रखते जाते थे. मतलब उनको याद रहता था, यस, सील देखकर कि this stamp it was issued on such and such date, okay, in such month and in such year. So similarly he used to do. So एक दिन when he was just fidgeting with his stamp collection, you know, he finds an envelope और वो envelope देखता है तो he was somewhat shocked. Why? Because that envelope was addressed to him, no doubt, लेकिन the handwriting was different. When he opens it, he finds a letter in that in which his friend, psychiatrist friend, who did not trusted him earlier, उसने ऐसा शो करा था साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड ने कि तुम ये फालतू के बहाने बना रहे हो क्योंकि तुम टेंशन से, जिम्मेदारियों से बचना चाहते हो, भागना चाहते हो. तो वही साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड टाइम ट्रेवल में विश्वास करता है and he says that I am able to find the third level. I have reached Elonius Galesburg. It is really a beautiful place. और वो invite करता है चार्ली और लुइसा को that keep on looking for the third level and whenever you find it, you better come there. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कोई इतना रेलिवेंस नहीं है बेटा, बट ये फिक्शन ही है बस इसमें, है ना, कि इंसान जो था उस समय 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर से पहले कितनी टेंशन्स में थी. तो एक तरह से माना गया है कि इंसान जो था वो भगना चाहता था प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन से. दिस एंड दैट. क्लियर? ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care.